Today we're going to talk about my favorite crypto exchange, centralized crypto exchange, which is Bybit, and also their new update on the VIP program. Basically, if you're a big trader, I think this video is going to be really important because you're going to be learning about the best exchange. And if you're already on Bybit, I want to introduce you to the VIP program, which actually has unique and really bullish features. You're getting lower fees, VIP events, live events, and much more. But before that, of course, I need to remind you, not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, always the research. As I mentioned, today's main star of the video is centralized crypto exchange called Bybit. And actually, personally, I'm a big user of this exchange. I use the card, I use copy trading tools, I use almost all the tools they offer, and they're always surprising me with new features, new token launches, and much more. So first of all, let's start off the video with a quick recap. What is Bybit for all my new viewers and new traders? So basically, Bybit is one of the best, if not the best, crypto exchanges where you can actually buy crypto, sell crypto, trade. They also have their cards. So basically, you can use their card to purchase anything like coffee, like TVs, laptops, using their crypto. Next up, they have copy trading tools right here on the desktop where you can actually copy trade professional traders and basically make passive income, not a financial advice. They also, of course, have spot trading, futures trading. You can also purchase crypto using your bank or your card. Again, this is really great for the beginners. And also you can cash out crypto, basically exchange Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of the popular tokens to your local currency, for example, euro or dollars, and then off-ramp it back to your bank. So just to recap, this is all-in-one exchange where you can do almost anything you want in Web3 and in blockchain. And also it works with traditional banking and finance systems, so you can actually do almost anything you want. If you scroll down, you can actually even learn more about some of the numbers. So again, they have all these features, all these tools. They even have AI features. So again, they're really up to date. So for example, you can see some of the numbers. So they have, for example, 1,736 different tokens. So basically you can find almost all the popular tokens right here, and they're always adding more tokens. Next up, it's supported in 160 countries. So if you're watching this video, Bybit is definitely there. They have more than 64 million users, so you can see people are really liking this platform, and the trading volume in the past 24 hours is 27 billion. So the numbers are really impressive, but I'm doing today's video for all my VIPs because Bybit just announced a really big update. They added more benefits for the VIPs. And basically, to qualify for a VIP, they have different structures, but you get really great benefits. So first of all, you're getting lower fees, you're getting tailored interest rates, you're getting different live events. So in this video, I'm going to recap what you're getting, and later I'll explain you how to actually join this VIP program. So they have this post. Also, you can find all the links in the description, and you can see some of the benefits. So first of all, you're getting lower fees and interest rates, and you can see how much lower it is. And actually, these numbers will really impact your balance and make a difference, because if you're serious into the crypto, into trading, of course, every percent, every cent really counts. Next up, you're getting industry insight reports, priority access to customer service. Actually, like I would say with Bybit, I haven't had that many issues, and even the free customer support is pretty good. But of course, if you're VIP, you're getting VIP service. Next up, you're getting invitations to offline events. And actually, this is a big one for me. I'm really interested in this side because, of course, if you're into crypto, it's really cool to participate in all these events because usually these events are pretty lavish and pretty cool. So for example, they have this post, experience the excitement firsthand through exclusive innovations to partner functions and networking sessions, including Oracle Red Bull racing events and sessions with our CEO and VIP ambassadors. And again, this is really priceless, it's really exclusive, and this could actually really make a difference in your business, in your trading, to actually meet these people, to talk with them. And you can definitely learn something valuable you can implement in your business, in your skills, and actually make more money. I think this is really, really, really great. After that, you're getting also access to VIP-only campaigns. You also get welcome and birthday gifts. I still don't know what kind of gifts you can expect. I hope something big. Dedicated VIP ambassadors and higher APIs and withdrawal limits. Of course, if you're VIP, if you're playing big amounts, of course, you need higher limits to actually cash out that money. After that, you also get some VIP-only benefits for Bybit products. For example, you get VIP-only dual asset plans with shorter lockup periods, VIP-only token allocation lotteries for the new launches on Launchpad, and this could be actually a really big moneymaker because Bybit is also launching some tokens, and of course, these tokens launching with Bybit are usually really, really bullish when we have, for example, altcoin season, AI tokens, and of course, the bigger the allocation, Usually the more you make, again, not financial advice, but if you're into launchpads, or for example, if you're following my channel, I talk about launchpads a lot. And of course, Bybit being the biggest exchange, the biggest player, of course, all their projects are performing extremely well. And you can see all the other things you're getting. So you're getting lots of different fees, lower fees, higher limits, more exclusive support, you're getting events, so everything is included. You can even see you have VIP only benefits for fiat. For example, up to 50% off transaction fees from one-click buy and fiat deposit. And you can become P2P verified advertiser without deposit requirements. And also, if we jump into actual program, again, the link in the description, you can join it also. We get information and criteria how to actually become a VIP. And you can see we have how many levels? We have non-VIP, we have VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, and up to Supreme VIP. And we have all the requirements and criteria to actually become a VIP. And not gonna lie, actually VIP 1 is kind of achievable, I would say, for most. Again, I don't know where you're from, what's your budget, but I think if you're seriously into crypto, this could be really beneficial because, of course, again, you're saving money on the fees, you're getting invited to all the events, you're getting support, you're getting additional features, you're getting, again, so many different discounts, and of course, this will help you make more money. So I think this is a no-brainer. And if you scroll down again, you can see how much you're getting, what you're getting. You can even see you're getting benefits for the VIP cards. For example, you're getting up to 10% cash back in points, physical card, fee waiver, express delivery, Telegram, and X premium subscription rebates. And if you click right here, you can even learn more. For me, what was really interesting, it was this one, VIP events, global F1 tickets. So you can see you're even getting Formula 1 tickets, which is really cool, I think, for everyone who's into cars and Formula 1. So I think now you understand why I'm so bullish on Bybit, because Bybit is the leader. They have the most money, the biggest volumes, they have the most features. They also have the most tokens. So for example, if you follow my channel, when I talk about the new token, usually Bybit has it, again, really bullish. They have the card, so you can actually spend crypto. You can buy crypto using your bank. You can off-ramp your crypto back to your bank. And again, if you're a VIP, you're getting more benefits, bigger discounts, and you're making more money or saving more money on your trading and on your Web3 journey.